Hey everybody, in this video I have a package from eBay. It's an American 600 is what it's supposed to be. It feels like it's in there. It says, "We sincerely regret the damage to your mail during handling by the Postal Service. We hope this incident did not inconvenience you. We realize that your mail is important to you and that you have every right to expect it to be delivered in good condition." You heard that, man, every right. Although every effort is made to prevent damage to the mail, occasionally this will occur because of great mail volume handled and the rapid processing methods which must be employed, and blah blah blah, whatever. So I like that I've got the right to expect whatever that was. Yeah. So let's see what we got here. It's supposed to be an American 600 with keys. So. And so we got American 600 with keys. So I hoped I wasn't too inconvenienced, and it turns out I'm not. Yeah, this thing is, of course, it's filthy right out of the package. Why wouldn't it be? It's got some nice powder on it. It's awesome. I can read that in my eBay feedback with the lock cane and damaged package. Some nice powder. Not like the white powder or something, you know, it's just powder. Yeah, anyway, there's our key. Assume it works. Nice. Alright, okay. That's just what this looks like, is pollen. I guess if you don't see me post any videos for a while, or I disappear from Reddit or something, assume the worst. Alright, so looks like pins. See if we can get her open. Try using some top of the keyway. The 50,000th pry bar. Looking at this, it doesn't look like the normal American lock keyway. I guess it is. I've only ever screwed around with one other 600. And it did have 2 security pins in it. This one, however, once we get the get it picked, probably won't be getting to the drivers, because on the other one I messed around with, couldn't really get it apart without grinding a pin out of it. I don't know what it's supposed to pull out, but it definitely wasn't pulling out. To you know, change out the springs and stuff in it, because the springs were shot in that one. Some of that's on video, so I guess I can link the video up in the top right corner of the screen. And this one here, I'll pull the cylinder out of it, and yeah, if it can be gutted, then and we'll gut it, but if that pin doesn't just come out, then we won't. Not really getting anywhere with this thing. Try 40 thousandths probably. Yeah, it's interesting. I don't even really feel anything with the pins. I mean, there's definitely pins in there. Yeah, so I can just open up with a screwdriver or something. See if we can get something in there to get some more tension on it. Gonna work. This is all I got, I guess. I'm trying to get it turned enough that I actually tension it. I don't feel the pin's doing anything. Alright, well, I heard some drop that time, but I didn't really feel anything. Okay, there we go. A couple of clicks there and a little bit of rotation. Okay, well, we got a false set here. Now I hit one and I actually thought it was going to open. It is open. Just turn it. Alright, cool. That was fun. Not sure if it's worth whatever I got coming to me from that powder, but it was definitely fun to pick anyway. Okay, I'll drop the cylinder out of here. Yeah, it's got the same deal. Unlock her back. It's got two pins on it here, and one of them on the other one I had, you could actually tap it into the cylinder and then pop it back out to get that one out of the way to spin it enough to take the whole plug out. But the other one I had to grind off. So I don't really want to grind. I'm not going to grind it off. It just is what it is here. I don't know if I can get it to pull out or not. Yeah, that one's not pulling out. See, and this one right here that I'm pulling on is not drilled all the way through, so you can't tap it in. The other one you can actually just tap in. Yeah. Alright, well, not gonna happen. So, yeah, if you ever want to rekey this, well, I guess you can't. No, I guess what you would do is you would just tap the one edge you can tap in, and you can spin it to dump the pins out of the bottom. Yep. Anyway, enough rambling. It'd be an American 600 picked, and like I said, if you guys don't hear from me, in a while, just assume the powder got me, and we'll hopefully talk to everybody later.